Hello everyone, this is your Preet from Preetech Ideas. In this video, we will learn how to create a beautiful, stunning one-page WordPress website. Whether you are a freelancer, small business owner, or just looking to showcase your portfolio, or a one-page site can be both beautiful and functional. In this tutorial, I will guide you step by step how to design a creative homepage that capture attention and engage visitors. So let's get started this video. So here we already installed WordPress on our domain. So first we will do some basic setting before we go into installation of theme or plugins. So we will go to setting and we will click on permalinks. Before we start designing our website, we make sure that our permalinks are set to post name. In your case, it might set on day and name. You have to change it to post name and click save changes. Okay, perfect. Now next step is to install free theme. So we will go to appearance and click on themes. We will add new theme and you have to install this Hello Elementor theme, as I already installed, and activate this theme. Okay, the next step after you install Hello Elementor theme, why we choose Hello Elementor theme? Because this is pretty fast. This will make your website pretty fast in the functionality, in the layouts. Then we will get our one page layout which is easy to customizable with Elementor. So that will really save you a lot of time. So let's go ahead to the plugins. We will click on plugins, add new plugin. In the plugin we will search here Elementor. Make sure you install the Elementor, which is very important plugin. Elementor plugin here you have to install and activate right away, and then you have to activate this plugin as well. Here Royal Elementor add-ons and templates. We will go ahead, install and activate both of these plugins. Okay, so we have already installed both of plugins. Now we will go to Elementor settings. Click on Elementor and setting. So make sure we will choose post page. Make sure you choose all the options here in the post type. Click save changes. Okay, then the next step will be we will visit to our Royal add-on plugin. Once you activate your Royal add-on plugin in WordPress, you will see left side the option Royal add-ons. So we will click here template kit. Okay, so here we have a huge list of templates which are customizable with Elementor. In the price we will select free. After you select free, we will scroll down and you will find some of the beautiful templates or themes in the section. So here we will scroll down and we will look for one page kit. Here we have a one choice here, one page kit digital agency. You can choose any of the template you like here. You might see some of other one page templates. We only need those one. Okay, if we keep scroll down, you might see some of other templates which only one page layout. Okay, we will scroll up again to this particular template, one page kit digital agency. That's not important that this is only for digital agency. If you want to build a portfolio or if you want to build any business single page. This is ready to customizable according your business. Okay, but if you're looking for portfolio, we will scroll down and you will see a template for portfolio. Here it is, portfolio one page, V2. If I click here, and now you will able to check the demo content of both. Let me click on home. It will bring you to another page where we can check it live. Now we have perfect, all the sections are here. Okay, for example, about, work, resume. Okay, for example, work, we not have that section, you can remove that one. But how to make another section, like you want to change the name of the section, I will also show you. So first we will customize the header section. After you set your menu section, we will bring our mouse here, edit with Elementor, and you will see portfolio V2 header and portfolio V2 footer. First we will click on portfolio V2 header. Click on that. Okay, in this section we will able to change our logo and change our menu as well. Okay, if I click on the, hover my mouse on the logo, so I will click this small pencil icon to change, to edit the logo. Just change your logo, provide your own logo here. You can make beautiful logo with Canva, but if you're building this website for business purpose or other, we do also offer logo services as well as web development services. You can contact us. We will build beautiful logo and beautiful design, website design for you. So here, let me delete my old logo here. Okay, let me put my logo here. Let me choose from the file or click on upload file. Let me select my file. Let me choose one logo from my computer. Okay, that looks good. Make sure your logo in white color so it will more visible. Let me choose this one. Okay, looks good. Okay, then we will directly click on publish. Now we have done changing our logo section. Okay, then now we will go back to our home page. Let me go to my home page again. As you can see, we have successfully changed our logo. And then we will start customizing our main section, which is our important work. We will click on edit with Elementor. Just click on one time. Okay, so now we will also understand how these menu sections work. If someone click on about, it brings us down to the about section automatic. How this works, let me show you. For example, we wanna edit our main section. Hi, I am James Moray. Okay, just to right click with the mouse, edit advanced text. Scroll down, you will see prefix text and animated text. You have to change it to your name. I am preettkalirona, like that. In the if inside here downside animated text about your profession, what you offer, like web designer, you are a developer, or if you are building this single page for the business, then you can provide the business here. Like a construction company, it will be animated here. Like web design, it's animated, it will be animated here. Okay, then down section we have a description. You can double click with the mouse, it will open text editor left side, or right click, edit text editor. Same area will be open to customize it. Simply just to customize. After you make changes to the text editor, click publish right away. Please don't forget to click on publish once you done your editing. Now I will go to my image. I will right click, edit image, and I will change my own image here. Okay, then scroll down to request call. You will, when you hover your mouse to the button, you will see small pencil icon, edit off canvas menu, off canvas content. Okay, so here in the select template, you can select the template, but we will keep it off canvas. Okay, downside request call, for the title you can change it, or contact us. Button text will be changed like that. And here some of the icons, if you want to edit those, just go to the icon, click small edit image icon, and provide your icon. Once you provide your icon, if you want to provide here the clickable social media buttons, and do one thing, just in the choose image, for example, choose Facebook. In the link section, select custom URL and provide the Facebook URL. So people will hover the mouse and it will be clickable for them. Make it clickable with link, choose custom URL, and provide the link you wanna send your people to particular for the icon. Okay, then click publish. Okay, so how we check if someone click on home? That should be home section. If click on about, it auto bring it to the section to down visit. How this works, let me show you. If I hover my mouse to the next about a section, in the three dot here, edit section, click on that, and you will find here in the advanced section, go to attributes, sorry for that, go to advanced. In the advanced section, look for CSS ID. As you can see, CSS ID is about. So that's why if people click here about, it bring them to the about section. Okay, so we will make sure in the about, when we set up our menu, we will set the same text here. So CSS ID is about. Let me explain you now. I will go to menu section, and this is our menu in the backend. So we have about section here. I will expand this one, and you will find here in the URL dash slash about. Okay, slash # about. Make sure, because this is CSS ID. So if someone click about, it will bring them to this CSS ID about. Where is the CSS ID? In this section, next section. Okay, if you want to change the next section, for example, you want to make next section portfolio, in the CSS ID, provide the word in the small letters, portfolio. Okay, along with that, open your menu into another tab. Just instead of in the about section, change everything. In the navigation label, definitely we make it portfolio. Navigation label will be same, portfolio as well. Okay, and the URL where we see about, instead of about, we will just copy this one, CSS ID. We will paste our CSS ID here. That's all. Okay, I will change my label to portfolio as well. Okay, that's my work. Okay, click save menu. If I go to my website here, if I click on portfolio, it bring them to the portfolio section. Why it happened? This not bring to the next section we just set, because we have a double, we already have portfolio section downside. That's why it's supposed we are sending to the portfolio section, which is down section. So let me change this one. Example, I want to make it duplicate one more section, or instead of about me, I want to write about my company. Okay, for example, about us, I will change the title to company info. Company info. Okay, now I will again click this three dot. Okay, I will go to advanced section, click on advanced. Instead of portfolio, now I will only name it company in the CSS ID. And this side I will click publish. Okay, and now I will go to menu section. I will change my next tab, number 2 tab, to company. Navigation label, company. Okay, here in the URL we will put CSS ID company as well. Just a save menu. Okay, if I check my website now, okay, if I click on company, it will bring down section to company info. You can see it work now. Okay, let me fix my keywords. COMPANY company. Okay, perfect. Okay, refresh. Okay, the same way you can create multiple tabs as you want. For example, first you have to decide what tabs you want here. You wanna home, about us, work, resume, award. Okay, if you wanna change any of tab, okay, let me show you here. First, do one thing. When we edit our home page, okay, for example, this section company info, we change, just a change. Every time you make changes, you wanna make this section company info. Okay, and later on I wanna make the menu as well for the company menu. Make sure two things. Click edit section. In the CSS ID in the advanced section, okay, you have to keep copy CSS ID of all. Once you create your menu, okay, when you expand your menu, in the URL provide the same CSS ID. Okay, and go to next section, education. Again click on three dot, go to advanced again, click advanced. As you can see, this is set to resume. That's why if we click on resume, it brings us to the resume section. But this is not important. For to news to the resume section, you can change it to anything you want. Okay, make sure once you edit all these things, make sure you have to check in the advanced section CSS ID. And make sure when you set your menu section or when you create your menu, make sure in the URL provide that CSS ID. Okay, that's important. With the number sign, after the number sign, provide that particular CSS ID. Okay, let me show you here example. Education and experience. I want to change it to my company, why choose us, about us, anything, and services, our services. For example, this tab, I will make it our services. Our services. And now downside, I will change all these things. I will provide what service I provide. Okay, suppose we already done this our service. Okay, I will now click on three dot. Okay, this section is the complete one section. So I will click on three dot and I will go to advanced, click on advanced again. In the CSS ID, I will name it service. Okay, okay, now I will write down somewhere. So we have service tab, we have about tab, so we have a home tab. Okay, so later on when we create menu, we will provide this CSS ID. Example, let me copy somewhere. Let me copy here. We just create CSS ID. Okay, service. Okay, now I will click publish. Make sure don't forget to click publish, because when we create menu, it should when we create menu, we it won't create any problem for us. Okay, now in the menu section we don't have, if we have service, let me delete this one. Okay, let me remove. Now I will add one section which is called service. So I will click on, I will go to custom links. Okay, in the URL I will first put the number sign. Okay, now CSS ID service, that's all. In the link text, service, definitely service, same, click add to menu, that's all. Okay, now we have service tab, we just add, and we also publish in this side after we put into CSS ID service. Okay, now if I open my home page, I will click on this service tab, it will bring to service tab. Okay, so I hope you understand how it works. Okay, now click make changes to every section. For example, what I provide, web design, development, you can change all these sections. Okay, for example, you want to change all these tabs, just right click, edit flip box, and downside left side you will see title, change the title, web design, and this description. Okay, and for the flip box in the back end, for the back side, click on back. This will be for the back side edit. When we hover our mouse, it will open your back side of this flip icon, where we have expert consultancy. We can change it into back tab. Okay, and also the description. Okay, after you change, please click on publish. So you can go one by one all these options. If you don't like any tab, you wanna delete, simply delete. Click on delete section, like that. That's simple. Okay, click publish. Now we have delete one section, clients. Okay, my clients, it's still there. Let me cancel this one. Okay, perfect. Now client section has been removed, so in the menu section I will remove also the client. Remove, that's all. Okay, or you can first do the changes one by one, or just create a new menu. Click create new menu. I will name it new menu. Okay, in the display location, choose main menu, create menu. So this is fresh menu, so you will understand more clearly what that I mean. So I will go to one by one section. How many section we have? First, second, company info, services, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9 tabs we have. So what I will do, I will open the doc section. Okay, I will go one by one. So every section there is a 3 dot icons. I will keep it one by one. Okay, click advanced, and I will keep copy the CSS ID of all. CSS service, and next number 2 we have home. Okay, next I will scroll down to the next section, edit section, go to advanced company. Next CSS ID is number 3 is company. So you can make different tabs. So if someone click on about, it will bring them to down section. Okay, like that. Okay, so we can create our own menu section. Next we have our service. Click on that, expand advanced, we have service. Okay, example, we just copy 4 sections. Okay, you can change as you want, or you can keep same CSS ID, but you can only change just the menu labels, that's all. Okay, so we have now 4 CSS ID. We will create a menu. Okay, now we have blank menu, so we will create one by one. First we have the CSS. First we will create home section. Okay, in the home section I will, let me confirm my home section. Yeah, home, that's okay. Okay, now I will go to custom links. In the URL I will enter number sign and home. In the link text will be home as well. I will click add to menu. So we have add one CSS ID. Next we have service. Yeah, we add now service. In the link number sign again, now service CSS ID. In the downside service again, add to menu. Number 3 we have company. Okay, in the URL number sign company CSS ID, link text company. Okay, so for example we have 3. I will select main menu here, display location main menu, make sure, click save menu. Now if we check, we must have new menu here. Okay, but we can change it simply, so you will understand it. I will click edit with Elementor. I will click on first portfolio header, v2 header. Okay, now I will anywhere in this section I will right click, edit num menu. In the num menu we must have the name new menu. Okay, then we will select here. Yeah, in the select menu, new menu. Yeah, here it is, no menu. Okay, now you can see we have a new menu section we just create. If I open our website, so we have 3 tabs we just create with the CSS ID. Let's click on service. As you can see, it brings us to service section because we set CSS ID, same CSS ID in the menu. Company, it brings us to company info. Okay, this way, go one by one, copy the CSS ID, or you can provide your own CSS ID as you want. This section you wanna make your contact detail, or in the downside you wanna somewhere here make this section contact. Okay, click on 3 dot advanced, click on advanced. We already have contact, but if not, provide the relevant CSS ID for this tab contact. So when we create menu, we will put create one more menu under CSS ID contact. Here we will go again to custom links, number sign, contact CSS ID. In the label it must have the same link, contact. Okay, that's all your work. Okay, so all the tabs, all the elements will be, all the CSS ID will be linked to the main menu here. Okay, after services we have a skill section. As you can see, this long skill section, how to edit this one, just right click, edit feature list. This is called feature list, and you have to go to content section. Okay, of the minimize the general and open content option, and you will see idea list, key feature, all these things. Expand the idea list and change title content. Actually I'm teaching you the way how you can edit the page easily. Okay, if I teach you step by step all things, all we know video might be more longer, so we will go with step by step, but in deeply you have I'm going to give you an idea how to edit every section. And then right side we have my scale, double click, and left side title will be open. Just change it. Under the brief search design process, click within the box small icon or right click edit tabs, and same again tabs you have understand, brief, research, all these are different tabs. Downside you will see the portfolio section. How to change your portfolio, how this is actually linked to your post section. Let me show you here. Okay, so here if I open post, all post, and this is actually portfolio in the post section. They have linked our portfolio to the post section. Creative agency, web design, yeah, here this same one. Okay, as you understand, when we import this template, it comes with the home section and the portfolio detail page. Okay, let me show you. If I go to portfolio detail page, if I scroll down to the portfolio, if I open any portfolio here, and this bring another page, portfolio project detail. This is actually the post page here, design. Okay, how to change this one? And the tabs we have here in the portfolio section, upper side, all post, Figma, Vision. Okay, these are actually categories. Okay, these are available in post section categories, and you will find Figma, art, blogging, business, all these things are available here. You have to delete all these and provide own category. It will auto visible here once you already done. Let me also show you here. If I bring my mouse to this section, whole section, and right click, edit post grid slider cursor, and you will see option the source where you want to display these things from. Where I will choose post dynamic. You can even choose manual if what type of project you want to show here. Okay, then in the select post, click within the box, and it will search your all the project. All the projects are in post section. Let me delete here post section. Okay, write your one by one first the projects here, or you can edit all these one. You have to edit with Elementor. Click on that, and you are ready to edit all your projects here. You can change the title, you can change the description, anything you can change here. Okay, that's very easy to make changes in every project. Okay, then after you done all your project, or do one thing, click add new post if you wanna add more project, and name of the project, logo design, and first I publish it, and then I will click edit with Elementor. Click on that, okay. Here just to start providing about your portfolio. Okay, that's very easy. Or you can do one thing here, just open your any portfolio in another tab. For example, I open my portfolio here. This is another portfolio, comes with the demo, but I wanna put all these things, the designs, all these things to new portfolio, new page here. Okay, so I will edit this one. I open into new tab, so I copy the element and paste to the my new project section. If I scroll down, and you will see the 3 section edit section, right click on it, copy it, go to your another tab where you writing your new portfolio. Okay, within this box, right click, paste from other side, just paste, try to paste it. It will be pasted there as new portfolio, and do changes. Edit text editor, change as a new portfolio or new project. Okay, this is very easy, guys. And then save changes. After you done all these changes in the here, just to right click, edit image, provide the project image here. You are good to go and publish. Now we have a new project logo design. Let me show you. Let me go to my post again, all post. Okay, here we have logo design. If I open this one, this looks very similar. Okay, because we just copy the design from another tab. Okay, this way you can copy the elements, the design, to another page. If you want to build some other page, you can still build other page, even it's a single one page website. And for example, if I open this portfolio here, and you might notice home page not working. Okay, let me show you the issue for this. And the service, no any option is working here, because important here is the home button. Okay, home button is important. It should be go to home page. I will go to appearance and menu section. I will find my home page here. Expand this one. Before the number sign, type the /1/. That's all. Save changes. And now you will see our home button will start working. If I click on home button, this will bring us to home page. This is how it is easy, guys. Okay, service, and it bring company, everything. Okay, if you wanna change some other stuff, like you wanna delete the packaging package, or you wanna still keep these packages, but you wanna just edit the boxes, bring your mouse to each box, right click, edit pricing table, and here you have a heading, price, divider, text. For example, price, you want to change price, expand the price and change the price. And down section you will see the badge, the hover animation. Okay, everything will be available here. Okay, now let's go to next section, testimonials. You want to change testimonial. The process is very same. Right click with the mouse, edit testimonial carousel, and you will see awesome theme, simply the best. All these are testimonial clients. Just if you want to add more, click add item and provide the author name, job, and downside the description. It will be display here. Then we have a contact me, this form. Right click on the form, edit form builder, and you will see name, project, budget, message. You can add some more items here in the form by clicking add item. Okay, then you have a option button. You can change button design or button text. Instead of send, you can change it. Okay, you can change the button width. Okay, and then setting, which is important thing. You can change the successful message, error message, and action, which is important, action, and email where you want all these email go to. In the email section, provide that email. Okay, all the message fill up here in the form will be go to this email. And then from email, okay, you can provide all these things. And you have a step option, type numbers and labels. Okay, separate, everything is here. Okay, you want to edit any section, right click, edit heading, start editing, click publish every time. Okay, for example, you want to add one more stuff or one more item. You have two options. Let me show you. You want to add more section under the services. You have a two option. Either you can right click, duplicate this old design, it will be duplicate to the down section, or you can just down here. You will see small R icon. This is the actually Royal plugin. Click on that and you will find the option section and blocks. Okay, in the blocks, look for or the section. Okay, look for free one section, which one you want, and you will also have some of them are dark, in the dark mode. For example, here it is something in the dark mode. Click on insert. It will be insert to the down section after the contact. Here it is. Okay, it comes with the footer section. Okay, now you want to name it something book now example, and then you want to display book now here. Okay, so first step will be I will make this section, enter CSS ID for it. I will click on three dot here, edit section. Same, I will go to advanced section. In the CSS ID I will type only book, that's all. Okay, I will click publish. Now I will make another menu which I will name it book now or book online, and CSS ID I will put book. I will go to menu, appearance. I will go to custom links. In the URL, number sign, just put book. In the text label, in the link text, you can put anything. Book now. Add to menu. Now we have another section, book now. Save menu. Okay, if I go to my home page now, we have a new option, book now. If I click this one, this will immediately bring us to the just new section we add, like that. Okay, book now. This is how it is easy, guys. Okay, I hope you like this video. If you enjoy this video, please hit subscribe, like and share my videos with your friends, and I will bring more nice tutorials for you. Thank you so much for watching my videos. I appreciate that.